We're talking to Mr. BTuke, who is the chairperson of the Democratic Party in the state of Tennessee. And of course, Mr. Chairman, before we had our first commercial break, we promised that we'd give you an opportunity to, in a real sense, be partisan, if you so desire, to talk about the Democratic Party in the state of Tennessee and some of the things that are happening in that party and some of the things that you, as the chairperson, wish to see happen.
Well, thank you very much, Dr. Haney. And I love to be partisan, and I'll be partisan in the sense of speaking positively about my party and not negatively about any other.
Very good.
I guess the first thing for my emphasis as party chair is that the Democratic Party historically is a party that is very welcoming to all kinds of different people. And that's important to us, and especially important to us is that minority members feel welcome, that African Americans, Hispanic people, new immigrants from wherever they may come, women, which are not a minority, they're a majority now, and they're critical to our party, labor, business. We have a big tent. We like to say we have a big tent. I like to take it even further and say that there's a table in that tent and everyone has a seat at the table. So one of the things that I've tried to do as chairman of the party is to make sure that people have that seat at the table. So we've started an African American Advisory Council. We have Tennessee Hispanic Democrats. We have special advisory groups of women to let us know the issues from a woman's perspective, not simply issues that women think are important to women, but a woman's perspective on issues that are important to all of us. We have a very close relationship with organized labor. We have a close relationship with state employees, and we have a close relationship with the state government. We're blessed to have a governor who's a Democrat, and not only is he a Democrat, but he is a very popular Democrat and a very popular governor. He's a leader of our party, and as we were saying offline, it's very, very important and a true blessing to have a governor in your own political party, because he's a leader, and it gives the party some strength, and we play off of that strength. We're also very blessed to have the majority of the House in the state of Tennessee ably led by the majority leader, Kim McMillan, and also by the Speaker and Speaker Pro Tem, Representative Nafee and Representative Rinks. So we have a very strong Democratic leadership. And though we don't have the majority in the Senate, we have very strong leaders in the Senate who are Democrats, starting with Lieutenant Governor Wilder and Senator Joe Haynes, and our majority leader in the Senate, Senator Jim Kyle, and the whip, Senator Roy Herron. And so we have all these leaders, and it's so wonderful for me as party chair, because I get to work with real leaders who are elected representatives, who understand how to work with the people, and then I get to work with these disparate groups of people who bring a special perspective. We try to look at issues that really matter to people. Democrats especially look at those who may not have as much as the wealthiest people. I think we're the ones who look after the middle class. We're the ones who look after the small business people. We're the ones who look after labor. We look after people recently coming to our community, our immigrants who are so important to us. The Hispanic population, as you know, in Tennessee is growing very quickly, and Nashville is one of the fastest growing Hispanic communities in America, and so they're part of the fabric of our community, and I'm sure everyone celebrates it, because now we have better restaurants and we have wonderful things to do. They bring a special point of view. And of course our African Americans that are a bulwark of our party and have been for so many decades. And so what I try to do is I try to learn. I try to listen, and then what we've tried to do is make sure we have a clear message. And the message that we offer is one of stewardship. We do not believe that this needs to be an ownership society, as the president says. We believe, as the Bible advises us, that we're stewards. We must be stewards of all that we're blessed with. And so we Democrats believe that we're stewards of the environment, that we're stewards of energy resources, that we need to be good stewards for the economy, that we need to be sensible about our economy, as our governor is, in sharp contrast to the president, who has allowed huge deficits to mount. That's not stewardship. Stewardship is being careful with those things that you have, the assets that you have, that we possess now, so that generations to come can benefit from them. So the development of renewable energy resources, a focus on education. Our governor, Governor Bredesen, has focused on education, as we all know, very successfully. The pre-K program is a national leader, and now he's expanding the emphasis from pre-K into kindergarten all the way to the 12th grade. The General Assembly of the state of Tennessee has participated in that leadership, especially Democrats have promoted that. Education, therefore, is critically important to us as Democrats. And after all, it is education that ensures good jobs. And caring about people who have changes in their lives. For example, I was just out to a celebration that the pipe fitters local has, and what they've done is they have established with the UA a training center, and it's especially has a program called Helmets to Hard Hats. And what this is for are people who are coming out of the military service, who need good jobs, who are reliable people. They've demonstrated that by being in the military. They're dependable, they're already trained, and they're trainable into the next civilian job. And so this training center is there, and it's just been dedicated. The governor was there, the mayor was there, Congressman Jim Cooper was there, a retired Major General of the Marine Corps, which made me happy as a Marine, was there, and he heads that program up nationally, and they said that this training center here in Nashville is among the best in the country. None are better, in fact, is what they said. There's a demonstration of a commitment to training and education that means good jobs, it means a solid economy. We Democrats are against outsourcing jobs. We're against the businesses that, in order to make a profit, are perfectly willing to sacrifice Tennesseans. We favor the businesses, on the other hand, and there are many, many that fit this description in Tennessee, that keep good jobs here in Tennessee.
Good. Okay, very good. And so what we'll do, we'll take this second commercial break, and we'll come back, and we'll have you to put this marvelous Democratic Party in the state of Tennessee within the national context, and perhaps even give us some suggestions as to what it might do at the next presidential election. And of course, we'll be back with our audience following this very, very short commercial break. Of the Democratic Party.